What's up, UP2B? So I'm freaking here in Minecraft. I'm gonna make something something special that I want. So we're here in Minecraft. Special in Minecraft. So let's just wait. This downloading. What do you mean I never face reveal? I'm gonna face reveal when I'm big. I don't remember I just say that. I think you're is a history. Just kidding. So let's just wait. My. Okay. I don't know what's a history, but just freaking say that a history. So let's get to my overworld. Oh my sheesh. So let's find a server that I want to go. So this is gonna be creative, and on the resource packs in here. Do you see how high I am and how far I am? Oh no. Okay, here now. So let's go to here. Resource packs. And then this. What's this? I don't try this before, so I'm gonna try now. So I'm here now into my own world. So let's loading, keeping up. Okay. Okay, guys. So, okay, guys. So let's just play normal Minecraft.
God, gusto ko naman mag-have fun.
Okay, guys. So this is gonna be good. That is good. God. Ow. Oh. I'm here now to my secret world. How far am I? What? No. That's far. That's too many. This is how far I am. 482. 482. 4. No way, guys. I don't see this before. 82. That's many, guys. So let's get to the video now. So I'm gonna need this. What the fudge? What? I hate this. But let's go now. So I need a golden shovel and we need a pickaxe for this. No, Don't mind if I do. And we need a freaking sword. And a hole so I can make a farm. Where is the seeds? Oh yeah, but so we have golden apples now, so we have watermelon seeds and this is no, this is melon seeds. Pumpkin seeds, I need that. Oh, forget the water. I forget the water. Why? Just freaking forgot. There's water. You can farm if it's this. Shit. So, we're farming here. Oh. Farm. No, we're gonna get some water right now. Oh! Why? That's actually why. I gave up. I freaking gave up. Just kidding. So I'm gonna give up if I die and wait. I forgot I don't need like that. I just gonna snap. Oh, there. Perfect. I'm gonna do this. So, eat this golden apple. Searching some place right now. So, I'm gonna put into. This is where the watermelon seeds go. A basin, so let's go make a basin. So I have this shovel, right? So I forgot to make a trail. Going to mine. Beautiful. I just oh, sleeping sound. Piggy! Oh! Thank you. So shit, I forgot. So let's go now. Oh. Place that everyone can mine. This is a mining place. I need to find coal. Oh, I don't need to find coal anymore. I already have this lantern. So I need to make this one. So I need a I need a lantern here. There, I have a light now, so I'm gonna just get some stone really quick. Thank you very much. I forgot. I have no wood in here. See you next time. Oh, this is faster. See you next time. I'm gonna hunt some woods and some food. Thank you. Oh, that's a cave gun. Okay. Ah! Don't run, little guy. Oh! Instant kill. So yeah, so this. Okay, this is good. I think this is gonna be good. I need a bone meal. I'm stupid. I need a bone meal. Why? Why? So I need.
Wait lang! Wait lang! Wait lang! Wait lang!
Okay. Okay. Have a bone meal. I'm stupid. I'm freaking stupid. I'm gonna put this. Like this. I have no watermelon seed. See. Shit. Okay, I need watermelon seeds time. So let's bone meal this time. Oh, it first grow and it's bone meal. This is Minecraft Pocket Edition. First go with there. Make my own. With this one. And this now beautiful farm. So I think Herobrine is gonna spawn, so I'm gonna be creative because Herobrine is gonna freaking spawn. I don't like Herobrine. I don't like Herobrine. I just